everyone, welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. CEC to arrive in Goa on 28th October to probe into illegal mining, tells Mines Department to submit necessary documents by Monday. Goa government recommends buffer zone of 1 kilometer in the Supreme Court. Investigation in IDC plot scam to begin in 2 weeks. Former chairman of IDC Babu Kaulekar along with the IDC officials and board of directors may be interrogated. "30,000 LPG connections in the state on hold, but no plan with the gas companies to separate genuine cases from improper ones after 31st October. To shape raw talents with attacking philosophy, can Salgaonkar Football Club get like-for-like replacement for Karim Bancharifa? Salgaonkar face big challenge. Prudent puts spotlight on Bancharifa. And Rotary Club of Panji's second All-Goa Major Ranking Table Tennis Tournament kicks off at Kampal. And now the news in detail. The Central Empowered Committee appointed by the Supreme Court to probe into Goa's illegal mining will visit Goa on 28th October. They will be in Goa till 31st October. Former Chief Secretary of Goa P.V. Jayakrishnan is appointed as the chairman of the committee. On the other hand, Goa government has recommended buffer zone of 1 kilometer in the Supreme Court for Goan mines. Under the chairmanship of P.V. Jayakrishnan, Supreme Court has appointed the Central Empower Committee to probe into illegal mining in the state. Mahendra Vyas is the member of the committee, whereas Siddhartha Chaudhary is the amicus curiae. Central Empowered Committee is likely to arrive in Goa on 20th October and will stay here till 31st October. They have asked the Mines Department to submit necessary documents till Monday. Meanwhile, Goa government has recommended buffer zone of 1 kilometer for Goan mines in Supreme Court. In Goa, special team appointed to probe Korgaon illegal mining case visited the site. According to sources, DYSP Semi Tavares raised questions about officers from the mining department who had inspected the site with former mines director Arvind Lolenkar. He questioned why a complaint was not filed after the inspection. Sources confirm filer Jitendra Deshprabhu is still missing from the Mines Department. Mine Department has submitted confidential documents along with photographs to the DYSP. Chances of bail to Jitendra Deshprabhu and Arvind Lolenkar are remote. Police conduct Panchnama at the site. Meanwhile, hearing on the anticipatory bail application of Jitendra Deshprabhu and former Mines Director Arvind Lolenkar has been postponed to 23rd October by the District Sessions at Panji Court. Our reporter in Panji, Mahesh Kari for Prudent. Investigation into the alleged IDC plot scam will begin within 2 weeks. As per the sources in the Anti-Corruption Bureau, former chairman of the IDC, Babu Kaulekar, along with other IDC officials and board of directors may be interrogated in the case. Violation of the IDC rules while allotment, illegal sale of plot, non-utilization of plots, leasing of the plots to the relatives of IDC officials are the issues of investigation before the ACB. ACB has started investigation into the most controversial IDC plot scam. It is alleged that IDC officials had allotted plots illegally. The preliminary investigation has brought forth the issues like plots were allotted violating the rules of IDC, plots allotted to the relatives of IDC officials and directors, non-utilization of the IDC plots. Scrutiny of documents in IDC took a lot of time, but now the ACB will investigate into the scam. Sources inform that names of few politicians have also figured in the scam. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent. The LPG companies have no plan in place so as to restore genuine dual connections under one roof or having separate kitchens. The companies, on the basis of KYC campaign, are aiming at finding out these improper connections. The users having two connections on one address will have to get registered under KYC by 31st October. The companies have put on hold about 30,000 connections till now.
Houses having dual LPG connections under one roof will not be able to get a gas cylinder from here on. This comes after the government's move to curb the subsidy on LPG. The assistant sales manager of the LPG division of Bharat Gas, Amrut Shode, informed that only the users having dual connections on single address will have to register under KYC. KYC campaign is on to find out these dual connections. Around 30,000 dual connections across Goa have been halted and will not be given a LPG cylinder after 31st of October. The companies aim at a planned annual revenue leakage-free gas distribution system through KYC campaign. But other than case-to-case basis study of these dual connections, the companies have no better plan to restore these cancelled dual connections. A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.